All right, well the couch is like dying. I have no idea. Also, no, oh no, it's raining. Hey guys, we're back in the ravine. A little bit of a new spot for you guys, I think. I don't think you guys been here. I believe there's a raccoon that lives right down that hole right there. So we gotta be a little careful, but the main goal of today is that bad boy right there. That could be interesting, but we're gonna microwave, helmet, all sorts of stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, and yeah, let's head into the video then. I believe this is like a hook to a car or something. It's fiberglass, and I'm pretty sure it has something to do with a car, so that should be pretty cool. Well, this is a part of the red fiberglass up there. It'll just land over here. What the heck? No step? What is this? I'm confused. It's like fiberglass. Oh, is this? I don't know. Leave a comment if you guys know. It says no step. I go a bit this way. Oh, it's... No, I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. Also, no. Oh no, it's raining. Microwave. Mega microwave. Oh. See if I can pick this up for you guys. Is there something in it? No, it's probably just. There you go, guys. Hope you guys can see that well. It's heavy. Guys, I don't think I opened it anymore. Let's put in, oh, it says, for a fully cooked cam, we want 120 temp. And it does not say how long, so we're just gonna put it in for 20 minutes. But it's a Kenmore. It's got like cook control, clear. The buttons do not work anymore. No idea what this is, guys. Don't know what this is, guys. No idea. Leave a comment if you know. Some warnings on the back. Not really sure. But yeah. This is like a... I don't even know. Probably not gonna guess for that thing. Oh no, it's frozen, guys. All right, well the couch is like dying. Trying to look. Oh my gosh, look at it, it's like black. How does it get past that? See that, guys? It's really like black on the underneath. And this might be the worst smelling thing I've ever found. Oh my God. Guys, I'm not going anywhere. Cushion. Oh, there we go. Not frozen. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Like, I don't even know what that is. We're good. Oh, there we go. Got it. Look at this, guys. This is cool. Oh my gosh. It's kind of hard to angle the camera over here. It says Snap-on Racing. It's a DX Racer, it says. Was it like a, I'm not sure, was this like a, or was this like a gaming chair? Because it says Snap-on. I don't know who wants a Snap-on gaming chair, but it is a DX Racer. I'm pretty sure that's a gaming chair brand. Looks like a gaming chair. It's built pretty tough though. This might not be a good idea. Oh no, it's perfect. Oh. Yeah, look at that. Nice little seat here. Yeah, I'll say this is the end of the video. Short one today. Hope you enjoyed it. I got some pretty cool stuff today. But yeah, see you in the next one. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Might be a little short, but yeah. Cool finds today, cool finds tomorrow, cool finds the next day. That's how it works here. All right, see you in the next one.